Hello friends and welcome to the channel. Right now we are at the Manos National Park and we are staying at this beautiful little bed and breakfast located right next to tea gardens on all sides, as you can see. So this accommodation is pretty small. It has 2 rooms and one dining and one drawing room as well. It's small but beautiful. This is the drawing room, this is the dining room, and then there are 2 bedrooms. So this is one bedroom. It has a fully functional bathroom with geyser and everything.
It's very early in the morning, so we did not expect people from very happy to see hot cup of
It's also very cold here, so a hot cup of tea is more than welcome. So we'll wait for the safari jeep to arrive and then we will meet you inside the forest.
Welcome to an early morning jeep safari in the Bashbari range of the Manos National Park in Assam. The safari jeep picked us up from our homestay just before 6 am and drove us to the entry gate where we purchased our tickets. As we entered the national park after purchasing our tickets, we were greeted by a flock of peacocks right next to the gate.
So the safari has started. We just entered through the gate. You can see the gate over there, and right next to the gate you can see a whole flock of peacocks, lots of them.
After taking some time to take sufficient photos of the peacocks, we continued on the safari trail, which was flanked by dense undergrowth on both sides. Suddenly, we came across a massive wild boar on our left.
So here we can see a wild boar standing and is crossing the trail.
After this encounter with the wild boar, we started moving again. The trail soon changed from undergrowth to an open grassland, and we could see elephants grazing in the distance.
Full of elephants, as you can see, right next to the safari trail. They're turning towards us. There is even a small baby.
All of us were very excited by this up close and personal encounter with these majestic beasts. We spent quite a long time observing their behavior and taking photos to our heart's content before continuing on the safari. A little while later, as we turned a corner, we suddenly came across a herd of wild bison or gaur grazing in the distance. As soon as we saw them, we immediately stopped dead in our tracks. After all, we did not want the animals to get scared and run away.
Here we can see a whole herd of gaur or Indian bison grazing.
After waiting for quite a few minutes, we started moving forward very slowly. As we approached, most of the animals dispersed, but a couple of big bulls kept grazing right next to the safari trail. This allowed us to observe these beautiful animals at a very close range. After the bulls finally disappeared into the forest, we continued on our safari. A little while later, we came across one of the 4 main deer species that lives in this park.
So we came upon a barking deer, seems like a male probably, next to the road.
After the barking deer sighting, we continued on to the farthest point on this safari trail, which terminates on the banks of the Manosh River. This incredible place is about 20 kilometers away from the entry gate and offers a splendid view of the Himalayan mountains of Bhutan. There is a forest bungalow at this spectacular location, and we decided to stop here for a hot cup of tea.
So this place is called Mathanguri, and there is a bungalow here, as you can see, Forest Department bungalow. I will give the contact details for booking this property in the description. It's right next to the Manosh River. It's also called the Biki River, and you can see elephants, a couple of elephants in the distance, probably very far away, but it's a very beautiful place. So if possible, you can try to book this bungalow. Nice stay actually.
As we were returning to our vehicle after the cup of tea, we came across a hog deer. Unfortunately, this animal proved too shy to be captured on video. This was our final animal sighting for the day, and we started making our way back to the entry gate. The safari had been quite successful, and the only megafauna that eluded us were the famous wild water buffaloes and the Indian one-horned rhinoceros. We were hopeful we would be able to catch a glimpse of them in the evening safari. The Manosh National Park is located in the Duars region of Assam along the Bhutan border. Designated a World Natural Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1985, this park is home to a large population of Indian elephants, Indian bison or gaur, the Indian one-horned rhinoceros, and large herds of the Asian water buffalo. It is contiguous with the Royal Manosh National Park of Bhutan and the Boxa Tiger Reserve of West Bengal. This park is divided into 3 ranges, namely Panbadi, Bhuyapada and Bachpadi, where we were conducting the safaris. That's all I have for this episode, friends. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of future uploads. I will see you next time with an evening safari into the Manosh National Park. Until then, goodbye.